How to add digital product to Aliexpress. Now, in order to sell a digital product in Aliexpress, it is a little complicated because most of the products that is being sold in Aliexpress are physical products. But if you want to sell a digital product in Aliexpress which has a good amount, you can do that. In order to do that, first of all, make a seller account in Aliexpress. Then, in order to sell or add the digital product, you have to create listings similarly as you do it when selling the physical product. Now you can choose a different category of the product while selling the digital product. Because AliExpress is primarily used to sell the physical items, there are so many categories for the physical product, but there are very less categories for a digital product in AliExpress. Those could be phones and phones accessories, electronics, and then it could be toys and games and other services such as physical template or something that can be printed. You just simply need to carefully select the category of the product and create the listing like normally while selling a physical product, and then you can sell your digital items like this in AliExpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.